my daughter came home begging, I want to do Pre-K Academy. Mommy, sign me up for Pre-K Academy, please, please, please.
I think Pre-K Academy is awesome. I think it's part of what makes this school so great and differentiates it from other schools out there.
The parents cannot stop talking about it.
I love teaching in this program, and this is some of the best money you can spend. There's no reason not to do it.
I knew that she needed more. I knew that she had the potential and the aptitude, but I had no idea how much she would flourish in the program.
Pre-K Academy offers preschool enrichment classes that teach reading readiness skills, pre-writing skills, and early mathematical concepts. Our classes combine creative movement, fitness, science, and art to make learning fun and inviting for every student.
We use something called brain-based education. When we teach any new skill, we use our eyes, our ears, our sense of touch, our bodies to learn that skill, and sometimes we even use our sense of taste. And what this does is it makes learning incredibly fun and engaging for kids, but it also maximizes learning for every learning style. It lights up every part of the brain.
It's truly a magnificent, unique program that encompasses reading, writing, math, everything.
The program is tailored to each individual child's needs.
I think the best part of it is that my kids didn't realize that they were even being educated. They tell me how fun it is.
The music is great, the songs are great. I'm singing them when I'm not even here. It's just such a fun program to be a part of.
In our programs, we focus heavily on developing early literacy skills. The reason we do that is reading and writing is so important to success in school because it goes across every subject area. If a child is ready to learn to read, he or she will learn to read in our program. But if they aren't ready to learn to read, that's okay because they will leave our program with a strong foundation for reading and writing.
It's amazing to see how well he's excelling because he's already seen so many of these skills before. He just didn't realize he was learning them.
One of my kids was already reading before kindergarten. It's reinforcing what the children have learned in the morning.
She was ahead of the game. She was right where she needed to be. She had a very, very, very good foundation to continue her learning experiences in elementary school.
In our classes, we not only teach important academic skills, but we also give kids opportunities to strengthen their executive function and self-regulation skills. These are the mental processes that help children follow directions, focus, remember information, plan, organize, set goals, and most importantly, regulate their emotions.
They're teaching these kids transitional skills and focusing skills and being able to pay attention and take turns.
Having them be able to sit for a certain amount of time and stay focused on a task.
They are also learning about kindness and friendship and respect.
There is so much research out there that shows children with strong executive function and self-regulation skills are not only more successful in school, but they are also more successful in life.
The Pre-K Academy programs help parents utilize every opportunity to give their children the best possible start.
It's just loving, it's just nurturing. I get photographs and I see the interaction and I see all the kids just having fun.
This program has just evolved over the years to something that everybody wants to be in.
I have and I will continue to recommend this program to everyone I meet.
I like everything about Pre-K Academy. Get me a running start. Sign me up for Pre-K Academy today. It is so much fun.
Please visit prekacademy.com for class schedules and locations.